Hi, it's Nathalie again. If you know me, you know I love games, and also these books by Ben Orlin, Math with Bad Drawings and Change is the Only Constant, The Wisdom of Calculus in a Madcap World. He also has a fun blog, mathwithbaddrawings.com, and he's currently working on a new book about games, which of course I love. And as part of his research, he found some great paper and pencil games from this book by Walter Joyce. He's graciously given permission for me to use part of his latest blog post for these videos. Thanks, Ben! And so let's talk some games. The first one that we're going to talk about is magical squares. If you've heard of magic squares, you know that every row, column, and diagonal has the same sum. And so you won't necessarily achieve that in this game, but the goal here is to get as close as possible. So each player begins with a blank square and then secretly places numbers in the four corners. You can use whatever numbers you want, including repeats. Then you reveal your squares to each other. Now, whatever number your opponent puts in her corners, you need to put in your edges in whatever order you like. Finally, you can choose whatever number you want for the center. The goal? Have as many rows, columns, and diagonals as possible sharing the same sum. A pair with the same sum scores 1 point, a trio scores 2 points, a quartet scores 3 points, and so on. So this sample game ended in a 3-3 tie. Alright, now for some questions. What happens if you start with identical numbers in your corner? For example, all sevens. What happens if you pick radically different numbers like 1, 10, 100, a million? Is there a best strategy? What other questions can you come up with and what discoveries did you make? I can't wait to hear from you.